Most people are familiar with Lloyd Mats, high-quality custom floor mats available for your 65 third current Mustang. They also offer trunk mats, which are a great way to dress up your trunk and also protect the trunk carpet. This particular version here is for your 2010 through 2012 GT500, and these are so specifically cut to your floor. This is actually specific for the coupe versus convertible and also shaker versus no shaker. Now in the middle here, obviously, we have the Shelby GT500 logo, but they're available with a variety of logos as well. Now, you're probably thinking I'm looking for an easy day at work, so doing an install video for a floor mat, but we're not showing you how to install it. We actually just want to put it in the car and show you how well these actually fit the contours. Like I said, these are cut so specific that coupe and convertible and even shaker, no shaker are all unique mats. Best way to put it in though is just to roll it up, put it right down the middle. Our trunk mat from Lloyd Mats really finishes off the look in the trunk of this GT500. It has a much more finished look than the factory carpet. And like I said, these are available in various fitments with various Ford licensed logos for your 1965 through 2019 Mustang. Hey guys, hope you enjoyed that video. Make sure you click on the CJ button so you subscribe for future videos and click the corner up here for more videos for your Mustang.